अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं बोल रही हूँ क़य्यूम from Q's Basic Cooking and Life. And today is Sunday and I'm in the mood to make some rice soup because I was told by my doctor that it's healthy, it's good for us. So I said okay. So sometimes when I have leftover rice, I think about making a soup. I have 2 cups of already boiled rice. I have 1 chicken thigh. I took the bone out and I cubed it, and then I have onion, 2 cloves of garlic, half of that chili I will use, and some fresh cilantro. So let's get started. In my experience, the chicken thigh meat is very tender and more flavorful than the white meat, so I like to have it in the soup, whether I take the bone out or leave it in. I wanted to take the bone out so I can have small cubes, small little chunks of chicken in my soup when I'm eating. So we are ready with all this thing, and we are going to start making the soup now. Let's see, let me just check if everything is ready. Okay guys, so my pan is heating up. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. You can use olive oil, you can use whatever is your preference. Sometimes I use canola, sometimes I use olive oil. Just swirl it around. That's just enough to cook our onion, garlic, and the chicken, to fry it before I add the water. So 1 tablespoon is enough. In goes the onions. Just saute them for a minute or so. Just swirl them around. That's it. Alrighty, so it's not a curry, it's a soup. So don't worry, don't you worry yourself. Just add everything and just add the chicken and let it cook. All right, just toss it around for a little bit. Add the chicken to it and let the chicken change color, and then we will add the 3 spices we have lined up over there. Just saute it for a minute and it's going to change its color. Meanwhile, let me just take few leaves of cilantro off. I will use some for the garlic and I will use some for the flavor. Okay, there you go. Just give it a minute. Okay, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I cover the chicken, I check it. You can give it anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. It depends how you like your chicken. Chicken is, cooks very fast. All right, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of crushed red pepper, half teaspoon of crushed cumin. Just toast it with the chicken a little bit before we add the water. Okay, that looks good. Smells fantastic. All right, 4 If you want porridge like consistency, अगर दलिया की तरह का आपको चाहिए consistency, add 4 cups or add 6 if you want a little bit soupy. मुझे ज़्यादा soupy चाहिए, so मैं 6 cups add कर रही हूँ. Okay. We are going to let that simmer for a few minutes. You can always add more salt. At the end, I will add some, a pinch of black pepper. But for now, let it cook like that. You can also use some haldi, some turmeric powder. 4th teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4th teaspoon of black pepper. The turmeric or haldi is also very beneficial, so it's a good thing to add it. Just stir the pot, stir, and let it cook. We don't need any cornstarch or white flour. Just add a little bit of black pepper powder and a little bit of cilantro for extra flavors. And then we're just gonna let it cook until it gets thick. It's cooking nicely. You see the 1 tablespoon of oil we use is still there. It's on the top now. If you want to scoop it out, go ahead. You can just take it out if you don't like it in your soup. ये जो ऑयल ऊपर है, 1 चम्मच हमने डाला था, वो ऊपर आ गया है. आप यहाँ से इसको निकाल के उसको फेंक सकते हैं. चम्मच से निकाल लीजिए. जस्ट स्कूप इट ऑफ और लीव इट, या छोड़ भी दें तो कोई बात नहीं. कोई थिकनर नहीं चाहिए. वी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग टू मेक इट थिक. इट्स नाइस एंड थिक बाय इटसेल्फ, क्योंकि चावल बहुत अच्छा अपना स्टार्च छोड़ते हैं. Adding cilantro for extra flavor. We will add some at the very end. A little bit of pink Himalayan salt. That gives a nice flavor to the soup. I love it. Just 1/4 teaspoon. That's 2 or 3 pinch. Okay, soup is ready. I'm hungry. Oh, it's so cold outside, so I'm gonna enjoy that soup. Look at the steams coming out of it. So let's serve it to you. Let's put the spoon over there for now and pour you some soup. It's so good and it's smelling fantastic. I'm loving the smell. I'm loving the steams. Oh, so good. All right. You see, it's not too thick, but it has a nice consistency to it. It's up to you how you want it. अपने 4 कप पानी डालना है या अपने 6 cups पानी डालना है. It's up to you. All right. Little bit more. Okay. All right. We're ready for some more garnish. Some more green dhania on it. That's fresh cilantro leaves. You can add dill, you can add parsley, whatever is that you like for your soup. Everything goes fine. I think I'm going to add a little bit of sriracha. Or you can have the green sauce. The green sauce is very strong, very hot. So let me put the spoon over here and add some sriracha to it. If this was my plate, I will use some green sauce on it. All right, just a little bit more. Okay. I'm tempted to use that, but it's not my plate, so I'm not going to do it on this one. So you see how easy it was. Let's put that away for now. So easy, so yummy, so much comfort. Rice soups are good for people on diet. Rice soups are good for diabetics. Use brown rice. Use vegetables if you want. You can always substitute the chicken for any kind of vegetable that you like, you know, squash, yellow squash, or carrots. जो मर्जी उसमें कीजिए. It's so good. It's a very flexible recipe. Just make a rice soup and enjoy it and let me know. So So if you want to share it, I'll appreciate that. Share it with your friends and family. It's good for children, it's good for elderly, and it's good for diabetics. It's very filling. It's very yummy. So let me know how you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, give me feedback. I'll see you later with another recipe. This was my recipe for Sunday.